heck?
Freddy's, oh yeah. Freddy's has the best breakfast food. Can I get beans instead of meat? Beans and no meat.
What's going on? We're at the Saturday Farmers Market.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Strip or extension cord. Gone to several different places. Every time someone tells us to go a few blocks this way, a few blocks that way, and there's seemingly a place there that sells power cords, but that's yet to be found, so we'll see.
It's so good.
You're the one who picked the lard.
With cheese, beans, and avocado sauce. Really good.
Got 2 tacos. We call them bush tacos. I think it's almost like a hamburger taco. We're just gonna go give money to this orchestra. How do you feel?
So cute. I want one.